Introducing the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's boldest step yet. In today's video, we'll explore what's new, what's changed, and how it compares to the previous generation. From design shifts to camera leaps, every detail counts. Stay tuned! The iPhone 17 Pro debuts a heat-forged aluminum unibody frame, moving away from the titanium or stainless steel designs of prior models. Its new plateau camera structure spans the top of the back, integrating antennas and internal components. Reinforced ceramic shield too on the front and tougher back glass improve durability, while vibrant color options like cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver bring more personality. Apple has enhanced the display with higher peak brightness, improved anti-reflection coating, and an always-on Super Retina XDR OLED screen with promotion up to 120 Hz. Outdoors and under bright light, the screen is noticeably clearer and easier to read than before. The camera system gets a major upgrade. All three rear cameras are now 48 MP. The telephoto zoom reaches up to 8 times optical quality, enabling impressive distance shots. Image processing for low light is improved, and the front-facing center stage camera now works better in group selfies and wider frames. Performance and cooling. Inside is the new A19 Pro chip, paired with an advanced vapor chamber cooling system to manage heat under load. Whether gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the phone promises more consistent performance without throttling. Battery life also sees improvements thanks to these thermal and efficiency upgrades. Other notable features include ceramic shield 2 for front scratch resistance, Wi-Fi 7 and faster connectivity standards, upgraded charging speeds, wired/USB-C, and software improvements with iOS 26 and smarter Apple Intelligence tools. The action button remains customizable and useful.